Welcome or welcome back to the Age of Design Studio channel. My name is Alana Flowers. I'm a freelance lettering artist and designer based in Brooklyn, New York. And today we are going to be doing a little bit of pencil lettering. So if you want to get better at your analog lettering skills, take a break from the iPad, take a break from the screens, this is the video for you. I'll be showing you my week 2 submission for the pencil lettering challenge. If you didn't see the community post, this one right here, I will tell you all about it now. Threeologie is a fellow lettering artist and YouTuber, and she has started something called the Pencil Lettering Challenge, which is to encourage people to improve their lettering skills by doing weekly prompts. So I will link her newsletter in the description box below and also her Instagram so that you can join in. So let's jump into it. The materials that I'm going to be using today are a cutting mat, a single sheet of sketch paper, you can letter directly in your sketchbook if you like, a very basic Bic number 2 lead pencil, this plastic eraser, which I'll definitely be putting to good use, a roll of blue painter's tape or any kind of low adhesive tape, and some kind of straight edge, like a ruler. So I've got my mat here. This serves two purposes. I, one, don't want to get any pencil marks on my desk, so it helps me with that, but also it has guides and lines for me so that I can make sure that my lettering is actually straight and even, and to just double check and make sure that my sketchbook paper doesn't start shifting around while I'm drawing. I'm just going to take regular blue painter's tape that's like low adhesive and just stick a piece on each end. We are now ready to get started. So today we are going to be lettering this week's challenge, which is an introduce yourself challenge. So the challenge is to hand letter in pencil the phrase, "Hi, my name is," and then obviously letter your name. That's going to be the challenge for today. I'm going to be writing out my phrase. We're just gonna do some thumbnail sketches to help us establish our composition. So let's see. Usually to do this, I will start thinking about my hierarchy. So I'm thinking my name should be big. So I'm definitely thinking is can be small. So with that in mind, I've got a rectangular sheet of paper here. So I'm just gonna kind of make a little box for myself. Okay, so I have decided to go with sketch 8. I swear, this one's gonna get pretty. It's gonna get pretty, I swear. It's hard to see now, but it's gonna get pretty. Trust me. All right, we are back and we are ready to take this and we are going to make it our final piece. Okay, so now that I have my basic skeleton down, I'm going to proceed by adding some weight to these letters. So how I do that? Now you can draw a weight at either side, depends on how thick you want it to be. You could use your finger as a guide as well, but also it's like over time your eyes will get more trained to see where your weights are inconsistent, and you'll be able to fix them. I'm going to start adding the weight for my script portions. If you have any experience with calligraphy or using brush pens, that'll really help you when you are pencil lettering in script styles, understanding that downstrokes are thick and upstrokes are thin. So understanding where it makes sense to put the weight. So if you happen to have like a brush pen like this handy with like a flexible tip, you can do like so you can see more or less how to mimic that idea. Using a brush pen will help you identify those areas of thick and thin a lot better. So hopefully that's a handy tip for someone. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like and make sure you share it with a friend. And if you're new here, subscribe to join the community. I post videos weekly on lettering, digital art. I'm also going to be sharing some videos about freelance lettering and my life as a freelancer. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.